going to Maupiti, which is over that way, around 6 hours away.
How you doing, and welcome to this episode of Sailing Nikau. We've just left Bora Bora. We're heading to Maupiti, one of the last islands that we're going to stop off in French Polynesia. We're just loving French Polynesia. I hope you enjoy this episode where we look at this reef system of Maupiti, one that you can only get into in calm weather, and man, we've got such calm weather we can't even sail. School happening here. Bella's working really hard in the corner. Coco's hitting the box. David doing really well. Kind of looks like only one of our daughters.
Yes, we're doing important mathematics, quadratic equations and differentiation.
Getting slowly sicker and sicker.
The others reckon they're feeling sick. I don't know why. I think we've been at anchor too long.
Yeah.
We're anchorized.
That's what we call it, being anchorized.
We're hardly
What does that
rolling.
mean, honey?
It means when you sit at a flat spot for too long and you go out to sea, you suddenly feel sick when your boat starts rolling around because you're not used to it anymore. Whereas when we go on passage and we just get used to it, we can do anything with massive rolls.
Unfortunately on YouTube you don't really get a sense of it, but to give you a sense, this is what is actually happening. Maybe not quite that dramatic, but I think you guys should come and get some school.
We've got 6 hours to do.
No, we're going to be there in about 3 hours. This is whale season, so we'd be pumped just to see some humpback whales. They've been spotted outside of Bora Bora and in this little passage here, and so man, that would be cool. We haven't seen any humpback whales in 3 years. We've seen minke whales and pilot whales and a few other different varieties, but no humpbacks. Really want to swim with them. See what happens. Definitely when we get to Tonga in a few weeks' time. It's one of the only places in the world where you're allowed to swim with humpback whales. Tonga and Niue. We're going to both of those places. So we're at this pass. It's taken us 3 hours to get to Maupiti. The pass is crazy narrow. The problem is the waves are coming this way towards the pass, and all you're seeing is the back of these breakers, and so you can't really gauge how big it really is. You kind of got to fully commit. And so at this stage we're like, oh, do we just sail 3 days to Palmerston, or do we go in here? And I'm going to go in and check it out. It's a little dicey.
Was that pretty freaky?
Yeah, it was rather freaky.
But this is worth it.
We made it. Looks like our friends on Bogue have made it. On the inside, this is so calm and serene. That pass from here, like, have a look at that. It looks like no big deal, right? But when you're going through these things, looking at that surf side on, like these things are not designed to be surfboards, but man, can they surf. If a wave picks this up, we're dead on a reef in seconds, you know. It's going to topple over, we're going to smash our heads on something, and guaranteed vitalities.
What? Fatalities? Vitalities?
Vitality.
What are you trying to say?
Fatalities.
They made it. Woo! Oh, that's so freaky, that pass. I was scared. Scary stuff.
When you walk, I stumble. When you talk, I mumble. And when you smile, I have to turn away. When you shine, I'm cloudy.
Who wants to go for a walk on the beach? Woo! Yeah!
Wanna go for a walk.
I reach the top. But you don't care. You're always there.
What do you think, guys?
So amazing.
Pretty postcard perfect spot.
Totally.
Dog's pumped. Found a boyfriend for Coco up here. Another Coco dog. What do you think, honey? I reckon this is the perfect spot for a fire tonight.
It's the perfect spot. Bella's not so keen because she doesn't like insects, biting insects at night. She thinks the boat's better. But look how pretty this is. The sand and the sun's going to set over there. It's going to be beautiful. Hey there. She's
He's struggling to keep up with Coco.
faster than I am.
Coco, to the car. To the car. Go, Coco. Coco knows what the car is. Come on, Coco. Look at this. She keeps swimming for quite a while. Little array here, I'll see if we can show you. Motor in front of it and then turn the motor off. Check it out.
Getting ready for a beach barbecue is quite an ordeal. You have to pack cutlery, you have to pack plates, chopping boards, cooking utensils, seats, drinks of course, also rubbish bags, and what else? So many things that you have to try and remember because you need to transport everything to the beach. Oh, insect repellent. Yes, a must. The boys have done a great job gathering all this wood and getting our fire ready. It's a little hot right now for a fire though. Do you think we should wait till the sun sets, guys?
I wanna be high, so high.
Small. Yeah, but we need to break them up.
My hands are trembling, sitting at the table. I try to push it down, I look you in the eye.
So it was a great dinner, it was a great sunset. We're about to roast some marshmallows, and all in all, it's been a wonderful day. I really love Maupiti.
Little high, my missed connection. I don't wanna know how it.
Really great time last night. Beach barbecues are always the best. We stopped a dive boat this morning, asked where are some good spots to do some snorkeling, and we hope we're going to find one. Coral Gardens, they said, so let's check it out. Big manta ray. That way, Bella. Go. That way. Down at high speed.
Remember that night under those stars when they align. My head and my heart both realized for the very first time just how beautiful you truly are. Oh, you are. Girl, you're so fire. The way that you walk and the things that you talk about, I'm taking your style.
Ready, go.
I have no traction. Don't let the dinghy disappear, mate.
Church has got an anchor on it.
What are you doing, honey?
Space. We're just having a little walk around Maupiti town. It's only one little village on this island. It's pretty cute. So this is quite interesting. This is outside their house, appears to be the graves, I assume, of some family members. But it's also doubling as some bike storage.
Good.
I'm not sure how safe.
Very, very smart. Found the bar already, girls.
Yes, but you know, it's a very sad fact. They only take cash, and we have no more cash.
Because we've checked out. No, we haven't.
Puppies, like really small ones.
Cute.
What do they say?
What's your name? The Rock Dwayne Johnson.
Look at those cycads, they're amazing.
We have these at home in New Zealand, and they do not grow as beautiful and lush as that.
Oldest plant in the world, the cycad. Back in dinosaur days, baby.
I like this place. It's got a real laid-back feeling to it.